Three.
They should be there. Today we are going to start part 2 organic chemistry. It is unit 11, alcohols, phenols and ethers. So in this unit, 7 marks questions will come from second PC theory examination. Okay. So first of all, you should have to know what is the definition of alcohol, phenols and ethers. So definition of alcohol is, so what is an alcohol means? So it is nothing but the replacement of hydrogen atom. The replacement of hydrogen atom in an aliphatic hydrocarbon by hydroxyl group is called as alcohol. So alcohols are represented by the general formula. So ROH. ROH, where R is an alkyl group. Where R is an alkyl group. That is an aliphatic group. Okay. Example for alcohols is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. I have written here C2H5OH. Methyl alcohol CH3OH. This is an example for alcohols. Okay. Likewise, phenol. So phenol is nothing but these are the derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons in which hydrogen atom is replaced by hydroxyl groups. These are called as phenols. Example for phenols is C6H5OH, phenol only. There is no general formula. General formula is same, that is C6H5OH. Likewise, what are ethers? So ethers are the derivatives of hydrocarbons in which hydrogen atom are replaced by alkyl or aryl oxy group, alkoxide or aryl oxy group. They are represented by the general formula RO R dash, where R and R dash may be same or may be different. So therefore they are called as ethers. So in this we should have to first discuss about the alcohols. So that is classification of alcohols. So alcohols are broadly classified. So depending upon the number of OH groups, so they are classified as monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, and polyhydric alcohols. So first of all, you should have to know what is monohydric alcohols. So these are the compounds which contains only one OH groups per molecule. These are the compounds containing only one OH groups per molecule. Example for monohydric alcohol is methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. That is C3H7OH. And second one is dihydric alcohols. These are the compounds which contains two OH groups per molecule. Two OH groups per molecule. These alcohols are called as dihydric alcohols. Example for dihydric alcohols is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. So structure of ethylene glycol is CH2OH, single bond CH2OH. The IUPAC name of this ethylene glycol is ethane 1, 2 there. So this can be represented as carbon 1, carbon 2. Two carbons E, and the type of linkages is ANE. So 1, 2. So we are having OH group. So that is two common OH groups is called as prefix di. So suffix is OL. Therefore ethane 1, 2 diol. And third one is trihydric alcohol. So these are the compound which contains three OH groups per molecule. Three OH groups per molecule. Therefore these alcohols are called as trihydric alcohols. Example for trihydric alcohols is glycerol. So this is the general common name for. So this one is glycerol. The IUPAC name of this glycerol is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. This is 3 carbon. Root word is pro. Type of linkage is ANE, propane. So that is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 OH is there. So suffix prefix is tri. So OH suffix is OL. Therefore propane 1, 2, 3 tri. And last one is polyhydric alcohols. These are the compound which contains more than 3 OH groups per molecule. More than 3 OH groups per molecule. Therefore this type of alcohols are called as polyhydric alcohols. Example for polyhydric alcohols is sorbitol. See, sorbitol contains 3 OH groups, above 3 OH groups per molecule. In this molecule it contains 4, 5, 6 OH groups per molecule. The name of this alcohol is called as sorbitol. So this is about the classification of alcohols. Okay, so in this unit, so only we are going to study only monoetic alcohols. Only about monoetic alcohols. So next you take monoetic alcohols. Heading is monoetic alcohols. So monoetic alcohols are again classified into two types. So based on the hybridization of carbon atom. So first one is classification of monoetic alcohols, that is the compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon atom attached to carbon OH bonds. So in this type of alcohols, they are classified into three types: primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. So first of all, you should have to know what is primary alcohols. So primary alcohols means, these are the compounds in which OH group is attached to the primary carbon atom. So the OH group is attached to the primary carbon atom. Example for primary alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. And you want to write the structure of ethyl alcohol: CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond OH. So this is the primary carbon atom. So primary carbon atom means it contains two or more hydrogen atoms. Primary carbon atom means it contains two or more hydrogen atoms. Therefore, the OH group is attached to two hydrogen atoms. Therefore, it is called as primary alcohol. So, and the secondary alcohols. So, these are the compounds in which the OH group is attached to a secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom means it contains only one hydrogen atom. Only one hydrogen atom. Example for this one is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. The IUPAC name of this one isopropyl alcohol is 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. Prop type of linkage is single bond. AN second position ಅಲ್ಲಿ OH ಇದ್ರೆ suffix ಏನು OL. So propan 2 OL or 2 propanol. This is the IUPAC name for isopropyl alcohol. Here the OH is attached to a secondary carbon atom. The secondary carbon atoms contains only one hydrogen atoms. And the third one is tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. So these are the compounds in which the OH group is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. So tertiary carbon atom means all the hydrogen atoms are replaced by bulky methyl groups. All the hydrogen atoms are replaced by bulky methyl groups. So example for this one is tertiary butyl alcohol. We are going to write tertiary butyl alcohol as T-butyl alcohol. T-butyl alcohol. So the IUPAC name of this tertiary butyl alcohol is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. Okay, these two does not belong to the longest carbon chain. Therefore, these two acts as a prefixes. So therefore, the 3 carbon atoms is So this is 2-methyl pro type of linkage as CAN, second position OH idre 2OL. So 2-methyl 2-propanol is the IUPAC name of tertiary butyl alcohol. So this has been already asked in the annual examination. So give the IUPAC name of T-butyl alcohol. You should have to write. So 2-methyl 2-propanol or 2-methyl propan 2. Okay. So next classification is second one is that is allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols. So in all these examples, the OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. You should have to know that one also. So here the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. So here the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Here also sp3 hybridized. Second one is allylic alcohol. These are the alcohols in which the OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This one is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next to carbon-carbon double bond. Next to carbon-carbon double bond. Example for this one is allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. The IUPAC name of this one is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. So the 3 carbon atoms is root word is pro. Second position is 2, double bond is here, En, and first position is, that is the function group OH, that is pro 2En, 1 OL, or 2 propanol, 2 propanol. This is the EPC name of that is allyl alcohol. Example for allylic alcohol says allyl alcohol. Here the OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon. So next, third one, see, benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols. So these are the alcohols in which the OH group is attached once again to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring. Next to benzene ring or aromatic ring. So example for this one is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. You see here the carbon atom here, the OH group in which it is attached to carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Here this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized because it is an aromatic ring, benzene ring. Here there is a double bond. Therefore this carbon atom is sp2 and this carbon atom is sp3. Therefore example for benzylic alcohol says benzyl. So next, second classification, it is the compounds classification of monohydric alcohols in which compounds containing carbon atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. So that is OH bond. So these are classified as, so that is only one type of alcohol, that is called as vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. So in this type of compounds, the OH group is attached to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. The OH group is attached to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Example for this one is, so vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. The EPC name of vinyl alcohol is carbon 1, carbon 2. So 2 carbon atom is root word is E. Type of linkages is, that is 1 EN OL. Ethanol. E1 EN OL or ethanol is the EPC name for vinyl alcohol. So this is about the classification of monohydric alcohols. Okay. So next is phenols. Which is phenol. So what are phenols? Phenols are the compounds in which the OH group is directly attached to the aromatic ring. So phenols are the compounds in which the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring or aromatic ring. So example for phenols is this one, phenol. Phenol, and another one also orthocresol. Orthocresol. These are all the examples for this. So phenols. Okay. So next one, classification of phenols. So phenols are classified depending on the number of OH groups per molecule. They are classified as monohydric phenols, dihydric phenols, trihydric phenols. So what is monohydric phenols? What are monohydric phenols? So these are the compounds in which OH group is directly attached to benzene ring and also it contains only one OH groups per molecule. Contains only one OH groups attached to the benzene ring. Example for monohydric phenol is phenol, and second one is orthocresol, likewise paracresol, metacresol are also examples for monohydric phenols because it contains only one OH group. So irrespective of weaker group, contains only one OH group. Second one is dihydric phenols. These are the compounds in which two OH groups are attached to the aromatic ring. Two OH groups are attached to the aromatic ring or benzene ring are called as dihydric phenols. Example for dihydric phenol is catechol. So next, catechol, and also another one example for dihydric phenol is resorcinol. Resorcinol. So here OH group is attached to first and second position. Here the OH group is attached to first and third position. So these are the examples for dihydric phenols. And third one is trihydric phenols. These are the compounds in which three OH groups are attached to the aromatic ring or benzene ring are called as trihydric phenols. The example for trihydric phenol is pyrogallanol. Pyrogallanol. So the EPC name of pyrogallanol is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So trihydroxy benzene. 1, comma 2, comma 3 trihydroxybenzene is the ABC name for pyro. So this is about the classification of phenols.